Incremental greetings. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the Pleasurable expansion. We already introduced the concepts. We know how to work with templates. So now it's time to have both. How you can auto-apply templates by using concepts. So you never need to do Ctrl-Shift-M every single time. Let's see that.
Topic template. So we go on template and template. Now you will say, but here it didn't change. We only have this style here. And we will go, by the way, later into how my style works. But how do we item picture? So we're a concept as the concept. This is a little bit difficult. This is a little bit difficult. Bear with me. Like Supermemo is a little complex, but not that much. What is a concept? You can imagine a concept as the father of folders. Okay, is something. It's like a tag. It's a tag that takes to.
Is that, by the way, in Supermemo there are no tags. A tagging system doesn't exist. It's not like concepts are not exactly folders or tags. But the purpose is that you can create your knowledge tree incrementally with concepts. So you make like the catalog, this comes there, like this will be finance, this will be meta learning, mathematics, whatever you want, whatever you're learning in particular. And you can make concepts to, among other things, to apply different templates. That's why perhaps we have seen templates for English, for Chinese, and all of that. Then you can make this association that, hey, I have a concept, then this concept will always use the same template and add those buttons. And then you also have those checkboxes. What he does is, again, too time consuming to go through. There's too much at that time. So I will go straight with my 2 cents. So if I go to my template registry, I created the article thing, the article for videos, and so on. An item was. Okay. So now I will go, in this case manually. So let's say that for me now, this has to be a concept. We will see how to create concepts, in the next video, in the upcoming videos. Now I have this one. Okay. Now let me go to the registry. Using fonts, I want the item was, and if I click this, not once but twice. If I only click once, Supermemo will ask me to verify. Hey, do you want to apply this template? So you can choose yes or no. If you want to apply it with no prompt, you need to click twice. And you can do this for topics and for items in isolation. Now for topics, I want this one, the thing. Let's say. Boom. Now, because I created this concept, that doesn't mean that all of the hierarchy down has this concept. Actually, it's not the case. It has the parent concept, TFT. Tools for thought. I can set the concept in bulk. Okay. No worries, because this is everything in bulk. All of the bulk operations are dedicated in a different section of the course. Okay, but this was required, so I can show that to you. So now I have this. Some text. Now I make an extract. We will see what it is. And then this extract already has this template. I don't have to reapply this template manually. And if what I do, now I have this template. And here you go, I have some text. So this is an example that with concepts you can set any template. So I could have Chinese. So then I use the Chinese template that this has style, remember, style registry members, that the font size is bigger, has a Chinese font, and all of that. So whenever I use with the concept of Chinese, this gets auto-applied. I don't have to worry about the template and all of that, because all of this is inherited. And this is topic, and this is concept by concept. So you can have many concepts that they apply the same one. This is still useful. Why? Because if I don't, what's going to happen is that the element, in this case an item, or if I do topics, they won't be item and article. They will be no template. So even in my case, that I only want to use item and article templates, I don't have any other templates in my general collection, I will still select to auto-apply. So I never have an item or a topic that has no template at all. So I always have my default template. So remember, for me this will be like the default setting. There's a third option, is apply similar templates. Why this is the thing? Let me go back to the root. If we go to the template, you have article, article picture. Then you have item, item picture, and so on. That means that if you're using the item, it's not the default, but there's no image component, and you paste an image, as we have seen, one of the ways to import an image is by the clipboard. Supermemo will detect, hey, there's no, let's actually do it. So here I have my template. In this case, it's article. There is no image. Here you go, no image. Now, if I have a, let me download an image. Okay. Now I will import this. Supermemo asks me, hey, do you want to apply a similar template, article picture? Yes, please. And then I add the image. So now I have the article picture. So what I could have done is apply the template. Now select that. And hey, now I have an empty image component. And now I paste the image. Yeah, you can achieve that. But this is the case, that will be the flow if you want to reuse an image. Remember, Ctrl-Shift-K. And now, well, now in this collection, I only have one image. And I reuse it. Then, how Supermemo knows it's a similar template? Easy, because of the name. The name is always the same name of the one without a picture, space picture with capital P. This is reserved. Well, by the way, article picture, item, and item picture, those names are reserved. So if you have item and item picture exist, this will be the one that Supermemo asks, hey, do you want to apply this template, the similar template? That's the thing you can do. Then, I no longer have this flow. Why? Because I simplified my approach with Supermemo, and my item template already contains images. If I go to my collection, so I already have 2 images, so I don't need to switch this. If you follow this flow, then with the concepts, you don't require to select this option, because you will never experience that. Hope this is useful. Remember, like a very quick wrap up. Select the item and the topic template and the task. If you use tasks, usually the default will be this, the task itself, and check twice for auto apply. That's how concepts are so powerful. Even though you don't use concepts, just create a dummy one so you can auto apply templates for all of your elements, and you disregard concepts. Just for this, it's still worth it. So that's all you need to know about auto applying templates via concepts. See you in the next video.